Hey everyone, welcome back to Profit Hub. Have you ever looked at a billionaire and thought, how did they do it? Today we're diving into that very question, but with a twist. Uncover 5 powerful ways to earn money as a student. You won't want to miss the last one. It just might change your life. So grab a pen and paper, because this is going to be packed with inspiration and practical tips. Let's talk about freelancing. You see, many billionaires started with humble beginnings. Take Elon Musk, for example. Before changing the world with Tesla and SpaceX, he made his first money by freelancing on a web software project. Student, you have skills that can earn you cash right from your home. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for offering services like graphic design, writing, or coding. And here's a quick tip. Start small, build your portfolio, and watch your opportunities grow. Imagine your bank account filling up while you work on your laptop in your pajamas. Doesn't that sound great? Now, while freelancing can be exciting, it's important to balance your time wisely. Speaking of time, have you ever thought about how you can leverage the skills you're learning in school? That brings us to tutoring. Many billionaires, like Bill Gates, excelled academically. And what better way to reinforce your knowledge than to teach others? You can offer tutoring in subjects you love or excel interest. You could charge by the hour or even organize study groups. The best part? Teaching others helps you learn better too. So, it's a win-win. Plus, who doesn't love the title of the smart kid in class? Just think of your friends' faces when they realize you're making money while helping them ace their exams. Now, speaking of being the smart kid, let's talk about something that can boost your creativity and financial savvy. Yes, you guessed it. Starting a YouTube channel. Just like how Mark Zuckerberg began his journey from a college dorm room, you can too. Share your passions, whether it's gaming, cooking, or even studying tips. As you grow your audience, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. And here's a fun fact. The earlier you start, the quicker you'll learn. Imagine one day looking back and realizing that your passion became your paycheck. But what if you don't feel comfortable in front of the camera? No problem. Let's move on to a solution that requires no face time at all. Next is selling handmade products. Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Whether it's jewelry, crafts, or even baked goods, you can turn your hobbies into cash. Platforms like Etsy or even local markets are great for showcasing your creations. Plus, you get to express your creativity and share it with the world. How cool would it be to see your products in someone's home? Just imagine the pride and the profits. Now, as you tap into your creative side, let's explore a side hustle that helps you grow your network while earning money. Finally, consider some part-time jobs. Whether it's working in a cafe or an internship, these experiences can pave the way for your future career. Remember how Indra Nooyi balanced her studies while working at various jobs before becoming CEO of PepsiCo? These roles not only give you experience, but also teach you valuable life skills. Plus, you get to meet new people and build your network. And let's be honest, who doesn't enjoy a bit of pocket money to treat themselves once in a while? So as we wrap up our journey today, let's remember, each of these paths can lead to success, but they require hard work and determination. Now, before we end, I have a question for you. What's your favorite way to earn money as a student? Drop your answers in the comments below. Your idea could inspire someone else. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights and stories on success. As we part ways today, remember that every successful billionaire started somewhere. You have the potential to achieve greatness. With hard work, creativity, and a dash of passion, who knows where you'll end up? Until next time, keep hustling, stay motivated, and remember, your dreams are within reach. Best wishes, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.